Starting around 06 October 2023, Theta organization truly is exchanging at 62 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.3% in kind of most recent 60 minutes. Theta explicitly has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $623,741,743. This explicitly truly makes Theta organization, Theta, truly positioning at 58 in the digital money market in an unobtrusive way, in opposition to prevalent thinking. On the off chance that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Theta organization cost expectation end of 2023, what will Theta organization truly be especially worth in 2023, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking? Is Theta organization a wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will Theta cost explicitly outperform its unequaled fundamentally high in an unpretentious manner, in spite of mainstream thinking? These basically are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future, or so they really thought in an unpretentious manner. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2023, as per the Theta organization gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Theta cost certainly is supposed to commonly cross an especially normal value level of 91 cents. The normal fundamentally least value worth of Theta organization toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to essentially be 87 cents in a very for the most part significant manner. Besides, Theta can explicitly arrive at a greatest value level of 99 cents, showing how starting around 06 October 2023 Theta organization essentially is exchanging at 62 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.3% in quite most recent 1 hour in an in every practical sense, significant way. Theta value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Theta organization for the most part is gauged to for the most part be at around a genuinely least worth of 73 cents, or so they by and large thought, which in every practical sense is very huge. The Theta organization value worth can sort of arrive at a very limit of 82 cents, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of 80 cents in United States dollars, or so they sort of thought, which really is very critical. Theta organization value expectation September 2023, Theta organization cost is supposed to in every practical sense reach between 79 cents to 86 cents in September 2023, while the actually certainly normal cost of Theta for the September in a real sense especially remains around 82 cents. Theta organization, Theta, value figure October 2023. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for October 2023 may generally arrive at least worth of 81 cents. While the genuinely most extreme gauge cost all things considered is around 90 cents, in spite of prevalent thinking. The sort of fundamentally normal cost for Theta basically in a real sense is generally truly anticipated to generally reach 84 cents in October 2023 in a kind of significant way. Theta value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Theta organization in every way that really matters is determined to fundamentally be at around a kind of least worth of 84 cents in an extremely sort of significant manner. The Theta organization value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at a very limit of 95 cents, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of 87 cents in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Theta organization, Theta, value conjecture December 2023. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for December 2023 may explicitly arrive at a sort of least worth of 87 cents, while the truly greatest estimated cost for the most part is around 99 cents, or so they sort of really thought. The extremely normal cost for Theta by and large is in every way that really matters anticipated to reach 91 cents in December 2023 in an unpretentious way. Theta organization truly passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the crypto by and large has been explicitly diminished by 0.45% in its most certainly current worth, showing how basically fundamentally is Theta organization a kind of wise venture or entirely worth purchasing in 2023, which in every practical sense is very huge in an especially enormous way. Assuming that we explicitly look at the in every practical sense current market cap of the Theta with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap generally is likewise down amazingly. Theta organization certainly is confronting a fundamentally exceptionally tough time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, which basically is genuinely huge. The Theta especially is down to nearly 2.59% over the most recent 7 days, which in a real sense is very critical incredibly. The coin generally in a real sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for commonly past all things considered, barely any days. The coin could have serious areas of strength for really at the same time. We don't for the most part believe that it would a productive resource in exceptionally present moment, which certainly is genuinely huge. Inside the fundamentally absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta explicitly diminished by 46.136%, dispensing with an incredible by and large normal amount of 53 cents from its by and large current worth in an actually really significant manner. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can all things considered be a pretty generally excellent fundamentally purchase, a potential open door for essentially speedy venture, exhibiting that these explicitly are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future. Lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking, in spite of prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change is near 40.82%. And the cost essentially circled from a really lovely least in every practical sense, normal cost of 97 cents to truly greatest by and large normal cost of $1.06 in the by and large kind of beyond 90 days. Showing how the coin especially is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for outrageously past essentially couple of days, the coin could especially have most areas of strength for certainly yet. We don't by and large figure that it would a productive resource and truly transient in a ridiculously huge manner, in spite of prevalent thinking. Theta organization is somewhere near 17.28% with the in every practical sense, really greatest pretty normal cost of the coin was around 78 cents, and the fundamentally least kind of typical cost of for the most part was around 76 cents in lovely beyond 4 months, by and large certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Theta organization value figure 2023 facts. What will sort of truly be Theta organization exceptionally worth in 2023 in an in every practical sense, huge way, which is genuinely critical. The Theta cost in every way that really matters explicitly is determined to explicitly arrive at a for the most part beautiful greatest degree of 99 cents, with truly least cost of 87 cents toward the finish of 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Does Theta organization have a future in a genuinely significant manner? As far as value, Theta organization for the most part sort of has an extraordinary truly potential to in every way that really matters arrive at new levels, or so they by and large sort of thought in a significant manner. It really is figure that Theta will increment in esteem, which basically shows that it generally is conjecture that Theta will increment in esteem in a very huge way. As indicated by especially unambiguous specialists and business experts, Theta organization can truly raise a ruckus around town of the greatest cost of $4.47 till 2030, so inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta in a real sense diminished by 46.136%, taking out an incredible by and large normal amount of 53 cents from its kind of current worth. Is Theta organization in every practical sense worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious way? Theta Network S&P